Hey guys, welcome to part two of removing a drive belt on a John Deere tractor. We were finally able to get the nut off and take the gear off in order to properly remove the belt. Now it's time for the new belt. Just repeat everything that you did before. I like to start from the front to the back of the mower. And like I said, just make sure you remember every step that you took to take the belt off. I'm just making sure that the drive pulley is back on. And for a few minutes, I fought with the tension because there's a tension spring on those pulleys that tension the drive belt. And so I had to wait for my husband to come help me loosen the tension so I could put the belt back on the engine side. Once I was able to do that, it was time to put the electric PTO clutch back on. And that was pretty much it. Just make sure to put the gear back on and the bolt that goes on the gear because that controls the turning of the wheels. If you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, follow, share here at East Idaho Power Equipment. Thanks, guys. Bye.